Today, I want to talk about the quiet beauty of hand embroidery. This design may look simple, but every stitch carries patience, focus, and love. The soft pink petals represent delicacy and warmth, while the dark threads give strength and balance. Together, they create harmony, just like art and effort working side by side. Hand embroidery is more than decoration. It is a story told with thread. Each movement of the needle reflects creativity, tradition, and calmness. In a fast world, embroidery teaches us to slow down, trust the process, and find joy in small details. This piece reminds us that beauty doesn't need to be loud. Sometimes the most elegant creations are made quietly, one stitch at a time. Thank you.
Sitting in the basement apartment I rented with you, remembering the holiday party we had with the crew. Roll calls to the man, promising the prominent angle. Find the square feet of the triangular man who always had the plan. Sitting in the basement apartment I rented